Hello students, in this video we are going to make assembly of the parts of the screw jack that we have already drawn. For this, select the template. The template is MMKS ASM design. After selection of this template, the window is looking like this. This is the assembly module. Now select the assemble and select the part number 1, that is our screw body, and select the default. Watch this video in slow motion. In this way we have inserted our part number 1, that is screw body. Now click here on OK. Now insert our second part, that is the cup. Sorry, our second part is the nut. Now we are going to make constraint. For this, select the coincident. Now select the axis of the both components. That means these both are the coincident. Now select the resting faces, select this bottom face and the top face of the screw body, and the distance between these two parts should be 0 mm. That means they are in touch with each other. In this way we have assembled these two parts and the our constraint is full. Now insert the third part. For this, go to assemble, and our third part is screw spindle. Preview it and open. Now students, select once again the coincident. Here is the status no constraint. Now select the coincident and select the axis of the both component. In this way students, these both components are got assembled, but these constraints are invalid. If you see this status constraints invalid, for this select this face and this face of the nut. Now this screw is on the resting position of the nut. On the left bottom side of the window, you will see the parts in the assemble state. We are going to assemble them in the similar manner. I am once again assembling these parts. Select the screw spindle and open. Now go to automatic and select the coincident. Now select the axis of the both. In this way these both parts are coincident to each other and their constraint is a partially constraint. The status you see on the top side. Now select this bottom face. For this, select this bottom face and this top face of the nut, and the distance between these two parts should be 0 mm. Okay. Now these both parts got assembled, then click here on OK. Now our assembly is looking like this. Now we are going to insert our fourth part. For this, first of all I am going to save this and go to assemble and select our fourth part, that is the cup. Open it. Now the select the coincident and select the axis of the both components. Axis of the cup is this should be coincident with the axis of our screw jack body. Now move it in up on upward side and rest it on the spindle screw. For this, select this bottom face and this top face of the spindle screw, and distance between them is 0 mm. In this way Cup is on rest position of the spindle screw. In this way we have assembled these parts. Now students, we are going to assemble our fifth part, that is the Tommy bar. If you see the drawing in the left bottom side, you will see the procedure of assembles. For this, select the assemble command, go to assemble, select the part that is the Tommy bar and open. Now once again go to coincident. Now select this horizontal axis and this vertical axis of the Tommy bar. In this way this Tommy bar got inserted in this hole of the screw spindle. This is looking like this. The status is partially constrained. That means we have to make it fully constrained. For this select this face and this face of the screw spindle, but this is the invalid. If you say the status, it is the invalid. For this, once again select the Tommy bar and select the coincident command and select the axis. Okay. So students, I am going to insert this Tommy bar into the screw spindle like this. In this way, I have rested the Tommy bar on the screw jack spindle. Now click on OK. Our assembly is looking like this. Our next part is the washer. Select it and open it. Once again select the coincident command. The washer should be coincident with the screw jack body. Now insert this washer into the cup. For this select this bottom face and this top face of the nut. Select it properly by using your mouse and cursor, and the distance between them should be 0. In this way our washer is got inserted in the cup. Now click on OK. Now students, our last part remain, that is screw. Select and open it. Select the coincident. Now the axis of the both parts should be coincident. For this select this and make the screw flat position rest on the washer flat position. For this select this face and this flat position of the washer, but here is some problem. For this I am going to insert this, and in this way I have inserted the screw into the washer. Select these both faces and insert the screw inside the washer for the tightening purpose. Now in the end click here on OK. So students, in this way we have completed our assembly. If you see it in bottom view, this is something looking like this. Students, in this way our assembly is completed. If you see, each and every component got assembled and our screw jack body is like this. Now we are going to provide some color effect, that means rendering. For this I am going to select a individual color for the each and every part. Now my screw jack body is like this. I am going to give the green color for this. The color choice is depends upon the users. Whatever you want, the color you want, you can use it. Color of my screwjack body, I am going to select is green. Notice one important thing, that each and every part should have a different color, then it will be very easier for the understanding purpose and for the easy clearing of the drawing. In this way I have given the color to the screwjack body. Now I am going to provide the red color to the nut. In this way I have given the red color for the nut. Select the sketch and go to appearance and select the color that we want to give. Now my screw spindle is yellow, I want yellow color. For this I am going to select the color and click on the appearance. In this way I have given the yellow color for this screw spindle. Now Tommy bar, I am going to give this metal color for this Tommy bar. Generally Tommy bar is made of the material of mild steel, hence I am giving this color for the Tommy bar. In this way the Tommy bar is looking like this. Next part is the cup. I am going to give the blue color for the cup. Select the each and every face and give the color which is common, blue color. Now next part is the washer. I am going to provide a light yellow color for the washer, and washer is looking like this. Now my last part, that is the screw, I am going to provide the grayish color. This grayish color should be matched on the screw. In this way my screw is looking like this. So students, I have given this rendering effect, that means I have provided colors to the each and every part. In this way my assembly is looking like this. Now save this file on the desktop or the folder that you want. Now students, we are going to create a bill of material. For this select bill of material and OK. In this way my BOM report is generated. In this quantity type name is in detail provided. Now save the PDF file of the BOM, that is bill of material. Save this file on the desktop in the common folder. In this way the BOM is ready and I have saved in my folder. So students, in this way our assembly drawing is completed. Now you should draw this part and do practice at home. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you everyone.